Welcome to the Retro Men's Haircuts collection from MHDPro. This collection teaches you how to create traditional men's retro haircuts with a modern twist. The 5 lessons, inspired by Elvis, polished heritage, the ton-up boys and classic military looks, will help you develop and combine your traditional barbering techniques to create modern, popular hairstyles inspired by the past. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Tim Hartley demonstrates how 3 tiers of disconnection can sit in a perfect harmony to create a powerful modern Elvis-inspired finish. The lesson features pointers on position of graduation, fading, disconnection and balance between extreme lengths. Tim continues in Lesson 2 with a modern reworking of traditional barbering techniques to create a seamless, graduated fade. The final look is steeped in the heritage of the polished styles of the past. Tim returns for Lesson 3 to teach a new spin on traditional retro shape. This lesson features a flat, graduated shape with a tight hairline and strong fringe. The result is a looser, versatile rendition of a classic cult barbering look of the 1980s. In Lesson 4, Dale Ted Watkins demonstrates a look inspired by the Ton-Up Boys, a motorbike youth culture movement of the 1950s. The look incorporates 3 phases of technique: clipper over comb, low graduation, and disconnection. And finally, in Lesson 5, Sid Sutton guides you through a classic bold fade haircut made popular by the military in the 40s and 50s. Sid's technique has been modernized by incorporating asymmetry. You will learn how to achieve a fine blend from skin to apex using a variety of barbering techniques with a defining bespoke line. Use our See, Do, Stop, Check method to practice, develop, and master the skills delivered in the Retro Men's Haircuts collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Retro Men's Haircuts collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.